Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be diving deep into prompt engineering with actionable insights to supercharge your interactions with AI. Let's start with some of the basics. First, clarity is king. Always start by clearly stating your goal and desired output right at the top of your prompt. Instead of asking broadly, like, give me marketing ideas, try specifics. Give me 3 Instagram post ideas to boost engagement for a new eco-friendly product targeting millennials. Second, delimiters are your best friends. Use quotation marks or brackets to isolate different parts of your prompt clearly. This reduces confusion. For example, summarize the following report. Insert report text here into 3 key takeaways suitable for an executive summary. According to leading voices on social media, including at Curious V7, foundational principles remain robust. Use the most powerful model you can. Speak plainly, clarify intent, and always provide context with examples. And Garry Tan advises us simply, think of your AI as an educated layperson. If a real person doesn't understand your prompt, neither will the AI. Simple but incredibly effective. Another effective practice gaining momentum is using step-by-step reasoning prompts. Explicitly tell the AI to break down its thinking. Say something like, provide a detailed step-by-step explanation of how to solve this complex budgeting issue for a startup. This drastically improves the accuracy and depth of responses. Let's move on to some exciting hacks trending in the AI community. Meta prompting is rapidly becoming a favorite. First, ask your AI tool to generate the ideal prompt itself, like this. Create an optimized prompt for producing an engaging customer service response to complaints about shipping delays. Then, use that newly generated prompt for even better outcomes. Negative prompting is another powerful technique, especially useful in creative fields or when the AI tends to drift. Clearly specify what the AI should avoid. For instance, write a product description emphasizing durability and style, but avoid using cliches or overused marketing phrases. Here's an interesting psychological twist. Using emotionally engaging language can improve your AI outcomes. Add urgency or personal relevance, for example. This data summary is critical for my job presentation tomorrow. Please ensure it's accurate and persuasive. Studies show this can boost accuracy by nearly 20%. Social media experts like at Curious V7 recommend being conversational with your AI. Rather than typing formally, speak naturally. Hey, could you rewrite this customer email in a friendlier, more casual tone? One more hidden gem that's trending right now is constraint-based prompting. Set clear boundaries up front, like word limits or formats. For example, write a concise 150-word LinkedIn post about leadership lessons from sports without mentioning any specific athletes. And don't overlook the value of examples. Providing a strong reference can significantly sharpen your AI's output. Try something like, generate a mission statement similar in style to Patagonia's environmental commitment, but tailored to a digital education startup. Finally, always iterate. Use your initial AI responses to refine and improve subsequent prompts. Prompting AI effectively is iterative, so consider your first prompt just the beginning. By applying these practical tips, your AI prompts will quickly become more impactful, efficient, and precise, transforming your daily tasks and projects. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.